How to enable share button on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable share button on your Facebook. So first open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner click on the menu icon. Now click on your profile. After that scroll down and find your post, which one you want to enable share. So let's say I'm going to enable this post share. So on the right side click on the three dot icon. After that click on edit privacy. Now in order to enable share button on Facebook you have to make it public. So let's click on public. After that click on back and there you go. And that's how you can enable share button on Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.